Welcome to AGOG Brain. I am your friend Rahul, and today we are having a special guest named Kaushik. He's the one who has been following his passion, as well as he is now managing his academics. So kindly please join me, Kaushik. How are you doing, Kaushik?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm also doing good. Thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you so much for having
And
me.
I would like to invite Sumit. Could you please
Yeah.
join us?
How are you, Kaushik?
Welcome.
I'm good.
Yeah, how are you, Rahul?
I'm doing good, brother. How are you
That's
doing?
good.
How are you doing as well?
Yeah, I'm totally good. Fine.
So we are having a special guest named Kaushik, as
Yeah, I know him.
talked about. So
Okay,
we'll be
let's-
having some good words
Yeah.
between each other. All right.
Let's start chit chat with Mr.
Hmm.
Kaushik.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, please.
How are you feeling, Kaushik? By the way, to be honest, how are you
Uh,
feeling?
I'm feeling good. I'm all fine.
All right.
Even in this pandemic,
Mm-hmm.
by God's grace.
That's what
Yeah.
we are here because so many people. What I feel because there are some people who have found their passion in this pandemic. Lockdown was there, being at home, doing nothing, and they have started following their passion. As I know.
Passion is doing nothing, I think.
Mhm.
Doing nothing is passion.
So we can start
Yeah.
proceeding. Sumit.
Could you please brief me about challenges you have faced?
While doing the
Yeah, while doing, you do
Uh,
beatbox, you do multiple stuff basically.
Yeah.
You do beatbox, you are, I think in my opinion, you are a good guitarist. And he sings well too, yeah.
Actually, at first, all I wanted to first buy the equipment, and for that, I used to teach as a guitar instructor in an institute.
Yeah,
Okay.
that's very
But
nice.
then I left there because I have to cope up with my studies too. So after that, I started teaching. In my first year of college, I started teaching. As a teacher.
Teaching as a,
As a tutor.
guitarist or
No,
a
as
tutor?
guitarist, no,
You're
as a
talking about
guitar-
academics.
Yes, I used to
Okay.
teach
Yeah.
for the kids up to 8th grade, and then from that I got some. I used with my salary. I bought the equipments for my. Actually, I wanted to do YouTube. That's why I started all this.
Yeah, that's very good. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. And basically, I want to know how could you manage the study along with following your passion? Is it too easy or a bit hard for you?
It is more like I was used to it already since after 10th grade. So I when I got into this, I was not really ready for that. I used to take actually vocal classes.
Vocal
So,
classes,
yes.
okay.
So my teacher asked me that you play good, so you can teach basic at least. I was like, yes, I can. So from that, I got the opportunity to start as a guitar instructor.
Sometimes what happens? Sometimes people do not know their passion. They get to know about
Not sometime, it's most of the
most
time.
of the
that
time.
people
Yeah,
don't.
absolutely, you
Yeah.
got it right. So sometimes, or most of the time, what happens? We got to know from some other who listen to us, who watch us, and who notice us. Then we get to know about we are passionate about this. This can be our passion as well.
That's true.
So Kaushik, I would be having some question that do you really find friends to be supportive?
Yeah, they are really supportive.
Alright. So could you please
Even they, if I commit some mistakes, they tell me. They don't like you are doing good. Go for it. No, they are not like that. They are
Got
too
it.
honest with me.
Got it. So in order to follow your passion, do
Yeah.
they support or did they support you?
Yeah, they did.
That's
I got
that's
mad
good.
support.
Mhm.
from them.
That's
Yeah,
great to know
that's
about.
That's quite nice. Your friends are totally supportive. Yeah.
Absolutely, you got it right. So the last but not the least, I would ask one more question because I feel that is challenging for everybody because convincing parents for following your passion becomes very difficult in everyone's
Yeah.
life, including me as well. So for me, it was also difficult to convince my parents. So how did you convince
No,
your
no,
parents?
basically, I want to reconstruct the question. Because convincing parents is quite easy. I'm talking about the society.
You think so?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, basically.
It's a
Because,
personal experience.
Yeah,
It's
personal
just
experience. and I knew you as well. That's why I'm saying.
Hmm.
Okay, so
What about the
dog-
society and everything?
Including
peer
parents.
pressure and all.
Okay. So first of all, the basic thing is convincing my parents. Talking about that, so my parents were math supportive.
Yeah.
They're really supportive about
Yeah.
for this. Of course, they didn't know that I'm into music. I want to, I have passion. I'm passionate about it. So they didn't know actually at first. That then I started when from school days when I started participating in different events. then they got to know, and then they thought, yeah, चलते बात है. Then they bought me a guitar, and
Ch-
then
जैसे मुझे याद है ना
समटाइम्स
नहीं।
व्हाट हैपेंस क्या होता है ना कि आप मतलब सोसाइटी में जाने के बाद कि आपका बेटा ये कर रहा है, देन पेरेंट्स गेट टू नो अबाउट इट, देन पेरेंट्स फील नाउ हैप्पी दैट नहीं मेरा बेटा सही कर रहा है, तो ये होता है, दिस हैपेंस.
जैसे स्कूल टाइम की बात है, आई वाज इन 11th or something, 11th or 12th, he was in 9th or 10th, so we were in some sort of choir or what was
Choir.
that choir, and that was the place when we first met. Yeah, वहाँ पे मैंने पहली बार कौशिक को सुना, तब हमारी दोस्ती वगैरह रहता भी नियर बाय लोकेशन पे था, तो उसके बाद हमारी बातचीत वगैरह हुई, तब पता लगा यार बढ़िया गाता बजाता है, तो ऑब्वियसली चैनल पे आया तो गाएगा बजाएगा भी कौशिक.
नहीं मिले
for sure.
yeah.
One question before
Yeah, for sure. Rahul, continue.
is continue.
Yeah.
One question I would like to ask, as everybody faces, whosoever is following his passion or her passion, they face criticism. So do you really do meditation in order to handling criticism, or what do you think, does it play a good role?
Part of criticism, I would say that if it is healthy criticism, I would like to listen to it. Okay, if it is all abusive, then I will ignore it.
Alright.
Because it is most like they don't want to pursue anything, so
No.
they are dragging you down.
Was it easy to ignore?
No, you know
Yeah,
what
it
happens?
is.
I just wanna ask one question. Sumit, hold on. I just wanted to know that does meditation help people to be calm, to manage criticism? My question was.
By the way,
related
do
to
you
this.
do meditation or not?
Yes, I do.
Does it really helpful?
Yeah, it really helps.
Then obviously you will deliver a good answer. Please
Absolutely.
continue.
That is what I was asking. If somebody does meditation,
Yes, yes. I totally
avoiding
understand.
criticism or managing criticism becomes very easy.
Yeah, it does in the part of the criticism. I will say that it really helps me a lot to handle the criticism.
So thank you so much, Kaushik, and we would like to listen to you some track if you can
Yeah.
play, if you can sing, please.
Finally he gets his
Yes.
weapon. Okay, could you please tell us about the song first of all?
Which song you are gonna sing, man?
I'm gonna sing Pani Da Rang by Ayushmann Khurrana.
Oh,
Okay.
And you both will sing it.
All
Okay,
right,
for
sure,
sure, for sure.
We'll
Yeah.
give you company, man. Sure. We'll hum,
Yeah.
right?
We'll try our
Sing.
best.
Sure. It's okay, man. Come on.
That was quite
पानी दा रंग देख के, पानी दा रंग देख के, पानी दा रंग देख के, आँखियाँ जो अंजुर ने माहियाना आया मेरा, माहियाना आया, माहियाना आया मेरा, माहियाना आया, रांझाना आया मेरा, रांझाना आया, माहियाना आया मेरा, माहियाना आया, काला नूर देख के, काला नूर देख के, आँखियाँ झंझोर ने
quite good, man.
It's fantastic. Good, man. You've done well, man.
Thank you so much.
So track was very nice.
Thank you so much.
Proud of him. Okay, so our next question is basically having friend with opposite gender. Is it helpful or nothing? Just like the same as a same gender.
If she doesn't have a crush on me, then definitely yes.
If she doesn't, or what about you? If you have.
Then things might escalate quickly. So, but it really helps a lot because when obviously it's a psychological phenomena that one opposite gender tells you and praises you, it really motivates you in a
That's
positive
totally,
way.
yeah. I do understand that. Yeah.
And I think having good bone,
Yeah.
that also plays very
Yeah,
important
it's
role. If you
all
have
about
good
the
bone.
bond. Yeah. Because what I found is having a friend with opposite gender helps.
Yeah, it really motivates you as well, because someone opposite gender praising you, it means a lot.
No, not just about praising. I'm
No,
talking
I-
about
even
some
if I- when
emotional bond or something like that.
Emotional.
It
bond.
enhances emotionally. Okay, Rahul, continue please.
So let's conclude, as we have discussed, and finally we got the conclusion that following your passion is not at all easy with your managing your academics. So first, would request everybody to kindly find your passion, as well as try your level best to follow that. Managing your academic is also not at all difficult and tough. So thank you so much everybody for giving your time. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Kashif.
Thank you.
Thank you for coming, Kaushik.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Done.